Did you know you can hide sensitive content of your notifications on Pixel 11 lock screen while still seeing that you received a notification? At the end of the video, I'll show you a hidden feature that lets you read notification messages without the sender knowing you've seen them, so don't miss the end. Here's how to hide notification content in lock screen Pixel 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro XL. Open the Settings app on your Pixel phone. Tap Notifications. Tap Notifications on lock screen in the Privacy section. Here, you can choose how Pixel 11 lock screen notifications views. Choose from Compact or Full List. You can show or hide sensitive content from the lock screen or silent notifications on lock screen. To hide notifications from the lock screen, toggle off Show on Lock Screen in the top. Now you can't see notifications on your Pixel lock screen. Unlock your phone to view notifications. How to turn off app notifications on Google Pixel. If you want to hide notifications from both the lock screen and home screen, go to the app's notification settings and turn off the notification option. Once disabled, notifications from that app won't appear on your lock screen or home screen. You'll need to open the app directly to check those notifications. Google Pixel Hidden Feature for Notifications. You can read your all messages and other notifications without opening any app like WhatsApp, Instagram, Google Messages, etc. Go to Settings. Tap on Notifications. Tap on Notification History. Here, you can view all your recent and snooze notifications in one place. You can even find notifications that you've previously dismissed or deleted. Which setting do you prefer? Full notification details or maximum privacy on your Pixel 11 lock screen? Let me know in the comments.